If a recent rumor concerning Samsung's newest foldable flagship is to be believed, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 won't likely be released for another month but has already gained a significant advantage over the competition. In particular, a leaker on Twitter going by the name Revegnus believes that the Galaxy Z Fold 5's price will be somewhat lower than that of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which cost $1,799 when it was released a year ago. Even a $100 to $200 price cut would go a long way toward making the cost of one of the greatest foldable phones more manageable. Even while you shouldn't base all of your hopes on someone's tweets in this day and age, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 cost rumor does have some merit. The high cost of foldable phones is one factor preventing their widespread use. People are suddenly much more open to considering something that was previously too expensive for them to contemplate if the price is reduced by a bit. This happened with the Galaxy Z Flip, whose initial price at launch was $1,380. The first foldable phone to go below the psychological $1,000 barrier was the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which finally saw a price cut to $999. Samsung reported a significant increase in sales for that lower-cost foldable, which is not an accident. The release of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 looks like the ideal opportunity to reduce the price of Samsung's second foldable device. In the event that it does occur, we should appreciate Google, OnePlus, and other tech companies for pressuring Samsung to embrace new foldable pricing. You may find many remarks from Samsung officials promising to make foldables become commonplace gadgets if you go back over the company's more than 4-year history of releasing foldable phones. You may do this in part by enhancing the durability of your phones, but you also need to sell them at a price that is more accessible to the general public. As said, that has occurred with the Galaxy Z Flip, but not as much with the Galaxy Z Fold. With each new iteration, the price of the phone has decreased by just $200 from its original $1,999 price. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.